A heart restarting revolution. Every minute counts in treating someone suddenly struck by cardiac arrest. A defibrillator, when combined with CPR, is effective in saving lives in up to 70% of cases if treatment can be administered within 3 to 5 minutes of collapse. Yet, of the 60,000 people experiencing an out-of-hospital cardiac arrest in the UK each year, currently only 7% survive. Why is this? The simple answer is money. Due to their high cost, defibrillators are not available everywhere they need to be.
Defibrillators, or heart restarters as they're sometimes called, are life-saving pieces of equipment. If someone has an out-of-hospital cardiac arrest, it's absolutely imperative to get a defibrillator to the patient as quickly as possible. But often that's quite difficult because it can be a long way to go to find the nearest defib. Currently across the country, there are many defibs that people have put into the community on the outside of buildings or in receptions, some in schools, some in leisure centres. But unfortunately, defibs are used very rarely at out-of-hospital cardiac arrests. Our hope is that if we put more defibs into the community and we put them in places where we know cardiac arrests are most likely to occur, that when an emergency does happen, there'll be a defib nearby to use. And we hope that one day defibrillators will be as common as fire extinguishers and located in the parts of the community where we know they will do the most help. It's fantastic that charitable organisations and community groups at the moment are willing to buy defibrillators and put them into their communities, but they're extremely expensive. It can cost more than £1,000 just to buy a defibrillator, and then even more to buy a box and to mount it in the right place. And we're hoping that a low-cost defib that's a fraction of the price will mean we can put many more of these units out into places where they can save lives.
With your support, we can place defibrillators in communities across the UK. Driver First Assist is a not-for-profit community interest company delivering award-winning training to save the lives of road crash victims. During this work, we realised how we can also save the lives of cardiac arrest victims. Working with a well-established medical equipment manufacturer, we've developed a defibrillator which is 80% cheaper to produce than current options, bringing costs down from £1,000 to only £220. With your help, we could place these in all schools, colleges, restaurants, businesses and shops, where they'll be needed in an emergency. We're calling it a heart restarting revolution, and we'd like you to play a part in it. We've already invested significantly to produce a production-ready, internationally type-approved defibrillator. And like all other defibrillators, it carries the CE mark and fully complies with EN 60601 regulations, so low cost does not equate to low quality. Driver First Assist has the support of the emergency services and is already helping the NHS by minimising the seriousness of injuries caused by RTCs. Mass distribution of defibrillators will minimise the call on NHS resources in treating cardiac arrest victims. Please pledge your support and visit the Driver First Assist website now.